Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Alexa's Garden. In this video I will show you how to grow zinnias from seeds at home, what kind of care zinnias like, and what varieties of zinnias I grow. Let's go! The genus Zinnia has 20 species that grow in America, but in Europe, zinnias are very popular. And breeders offer incredibly beautiful varieties of zinnia. I have been growing zinnias from seed for several years now, first growing seedlings of zinnias because I live in winter hardiness zone 5B. Zinnias are annual plants that bloom until late fall. They are tolerant of high temperatures and drought, which is important when the climate changes. Zinnias can look like chrysanthemums, dahlias, big brightly colored balls. I have several varieties of zinnias of different heights. 1. The largest are Benary's selection of zinnias. Zinnia elegans, Benary's giant. The plant height is about 40 inches, very large flowers, 4 to 6 inches in diameter. They are red, white, lilac, crimson, yellow, pink, purple, and there are also shades of salmon. 2. I also have medium-high zinnias. It is a hybrid, Zinnia elegans Zahara F1 breeding company, Pan American, USA. These are very beautiful zinnias, similar to dahlias. These zinnias are about 10 to 12 inches tall. They bloom profusely all summer long, until late fall. Three. I also grow miniature dwarf zinnias, Zinnia elegans Zenita, a selection by Benary, Germany. The bush is about 5 to 7 inches tall. How to grow zinnias from seed. The first way: sowing the seeds at once in the soil. Zinnia seeds can be sown immediately into the open ground, in late April, early May, as soon as the return frosts stop. Soil temperature should be at least 12 degrees Celsius or 54 degrees Fahrenheit. It is recommended to use 2 to 3 seeds in each hole. Thin out or transplant a few seedlings once they reach a height of 2 inches. The second way: sowing seeds to seedlings. Zinnias are heat-loving plants, so I recommend growing zinnia seedlings. This way you will get very early blooms. I usually sow zinnia seeds for seedlings in March. I use plastic containers, fill them with neutral peat with the addition of agroperlite or vermiculite, 10%. Zinnia seeds should be distributed on the surface and lightly covered with a layer of peat with the addition of vermiculite. The depth of sowing the seeds is no more than 0.5 inches. This way the zinnia seeds will germinate faster and retain moisture in the soil. Then I moisten the soil and send it to a warm place. The optimum germination temperature for zinnia seeds is about 20 degrees Celsius or 68 degrees Fahrenheit. The first sprouts of zinnias appear on day 4 to 6. Zinnias need to be picked. Peeking zinnias I do one time. If the seedling zinnia a little stretched out, the plants can be pinched or loaded into the soil. Zinnia seedlings can be planted in the soil as soon as 4 to 6 true leaves appear, and the threat of return frosts has disappeared. Where to plant zinnias? Soil for planting zinnias is better fertile, with plenty of nutrient elements. Zinnias like sunny places and regular watering. Diseases and pests of zinnias. Zinnias are affected by various fungal infections that affect the leaves and cause spot disease. If the plant is diseased, the leaves may wilt. Therefore, it is necessary to remove the damaged leaves. Zinnias are also affected by powdery mildew and are favored by slugs and snails. Do not forget to treat zinnia plants with fungicides to prevent fungal infections. Zinnias care. Zinnias can tolerate short periods of drought, but lose their beautiful, decorative appearance if it is too hot. Therefore, the plants need to be watered regularly, 2 to 3 times a week, to keep the soil moist to a depth of 6 to 8 inches. You also need to feed them regularly with a complex mineral fertilizer. Zinnias in landscape design. These are wonderful flowers to decorate balconies, garden beds, and mixed borders. Also, zinnia is an excellent flower for cutting. Partners of zinnia can be tagetes, chrysanthemums, verbena. I hope this video was interesting and useful for you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to give a thumbs up below this video. See you soon.